Hello everyone, and today I'll show you how to quickly and easily transfer photos and videos from your Sony ZV-E10 camera to any Android or iPhone smartphone. So first of all, you gotta turn on your camera, settings, and here you have to find network tab. It's gonna be the third tab here. So make sure you turn on your Wi-Fi. I already did that, and make sure you turn on your Bluetooth function. After you did that, make sure to download Imaging Edge Mobile from Sony. This application will help you to pair your camera to any kind of smartphone you're using. Customize the app settings as needed. You can log in into your account if required, but we'll skip that step. Now, if your camera model is not listed on this list, press this button, Camera Connection/Registration, and open up Scan QR Code. Now, in the Network tab, find Smartphone Connect, press it, then find Connection, press it one more time, and now your camera will give you a QR code. Scan it with your iPhone. Scan it, press OK, and you're good to go. You're connected to your phone, and now you can freely transfer all the photos. Let me show it to you. We have our gallery, and we can freely use it. Thank you so much for watching. Hope this was helpful.